So good day everyone. For this video, let us try to answer and analyze this circuit problem. This is a easy one. We need to calculate V and Ix in the circuit. And take note always nga if pila ka buok ang unknowns, dapat mo pud imuhang mabuhat nga unknown equation or imuhang magamit nga KVL or KCL since duha unknown na to adre, so duha ka duha ka solution lang pod, either KVL, duha ka KVL or isa ka KVL, isa ka KCL or duha ka KCL. Ana lang. So sa kani nga problem sa pag-analyze is if we will be having a KVL in this loop, let's name that as our loop 1, and this one will be our loop 2. Since we have two unknowns, kaya lang kayo siya gamitan og KVL. So for delete 4. It should be stated as by KVL at loop 1 clockwise and positive entering. So if we will be doing our KVL sa atong loop 1, nag-enter siya sa negative polarity of the 10 volt source, so negative 10 plus the unknown voltage na V plus nag-enter siya sa kaninga component na 4 and equal to 0. So we can directly get the value of V. So 10 minus 4, right? By transposing. And this is equal to 6. So we have 6 volts for our unknown V. And for our Ix naman, since we are finding also for Ix, by again doing KVL at loop 2, loop 2, same na clockwise positive entering. Then balik sa diagram. KVL2 is nag-enter sa negative polarity of the 4 volts, so negative 4. Plus, nag-enter siya sa positive polarity sa 16, so plus 16. Since this is a dependent source, namely a current dependent voltage source. So kani diretso is yahang voltage value. So plus 3Ix is equal to 0. And finding the Ix is equal to 4 minus 16, that is equal to negative 12, right? So by dividing 3, we have 12 over 3. So our Ix is just equal to negative 4 amperes. Do not forget your unit. Kay pusa gimo diha bisag wala nabot nga no kuan. Either 1 or 0 ang score. So that's it. Ana lang kas na yan.